Hi, I am Shuks and I am an astronaut living and working aboard the International Space Station. Do you ever wonder if gravity causes your food to just fall into your stomach? What if you are upside down? Or what if you are in microgravity? If our bodies relied on gravity for digestion, astronauts would have a hard time eating in space. Luckily, our bodies utilize a fascinating process called peristalsis for digestion. The digestive system is a large group of organs and processes that work together to take in food, digest it, and extract needed nutrients. A key component to digestion is peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that push food and drink through your digestive system or gastrointestinal tract, like a conveyor belt. The moment you start to chew your food, the digestion process begins. Then, when you swallow, your body kicks into gear and muscles in your esophagus start to work together to move the food to the stomach and beyond. Gravity isn't even necessary for this to work. When you're standing up, lying down, or even upside down, peristalsis still keeps food moving along in your esophagus and intestines. The stomach has its own set of muscles contractions, mixing food with digestive juices before it moves into the small intestine. However, in space, gases and liquids don't separate like they do on Earth. This can lead to astronaut wet burps because stomach contents take some extra time to settle down. The digestive system contains a community of bacteria known as the gut microbiome that can change in space due to stress, diet, and effects of microgravity. In the small intestine, the muscles continue to push the food along, but now they also help mix everything up, giving your body time to absorb all the nutrients like carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and more. This is how your body turns food to fuel to get you through the day. Finally, in the large intestine, peristalsis slows down, allowing water and nutrients to be absorbed before waste is eliminated. That's one reason why we all have to stay hydrated. We need to keep waste moving through our system. Let's demonstrate how peristalsis works in your body. Think of the content of this pouch as food or liquid in your digestive system. Notice how when I even turn the pouch upside down, nothing moves around until I use my fingers to squeeze the food. Problems with digestion could lead to discomfort, dehydration, and other health issues. Microgravity can slightly slow down digestion for some astronauts. Like on Earth, adjusting dietary intake can help prevent digestion issues. Ongoing studies on digestion and many other health concerns here on the space station aim to help future crews optimize their health. That's because we are working to achieve a big goal, sending astronauts into deep space for longer duration missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. To realize that dream, crews will have to be able to take care of themselves more independently than ever before.